Hey everyone, welcome back to 5-Day Crypto. Today we're going to look at Bitcoin and the extension off of the 21-week exponential moving average. This will be a nice short and sweet video, and we're going to look at when we could possibly peak based on the distance away from the 21-week on previous peaks. All of these little guys, we're going to see the percentage move and look at where we're at now. And if we were to repeat any of these peaks, how high would that take us? Let's get started. If you liked the video today, give us a thumbs up. Follow us on Twitter, Telegram, Patreon, all linked in the description below. So currently, off the 21-week exponential moving average, we are about 30%, right? Roughly 30%. All these are going to be rough because I'm not zooming in. You're going to have to use your eyes. So the previous peak, April, May, how far did we get above it? Well, this one, although this was the peak, it wasn't the farthest that we got away from it. So from the tip of the wick, just over 40%, right? How about here? This is about this one, and then this one were about as far away as we got last year, going up. So let's see, 95%. Anytime you're getting, 90 to 100% away from that 21-week EMA, it's time to pay attention. So although that's not the top, I bet a lot of people would have been happy to exit at that point. 58K? Would you have really cared if you did that and then we went back to 30K? Okay. So how about here? What are our next massive run up, right? Before correction. That over 100% away from the moving average there. So maybe if we get over 100% again, maybe it's not the actual peak, but maybe still a decent time to take a little bit of profit off the table in case of a 20-30% correction. Because guess what? That's exactly what that was. There's almost a 30% correction right after that 100% pull away from that 21 week. So let's go back even further history. How about our 2019 summer bubble? How far away did we get there? Doesn't look that far, right? But still almost 100% away from that 21 week EMA. Okay. We're only 30% away currently. All right. How about this peak? That was pretty much the blow off top, right? A spectacular blow off top fashion. Look at the percentage move away here. Nearly 150%, depending on how accurate you think my measurement was. So yeah, give or take 150%. But let's go see these other ones, right? Because we want to know what they were. 77%, okay, not too shabby. 75% before a correction. Even here, let's see what that one was. 37%, 40%, getting close to where we are now, right? But look at all the drops go right to that 21-week EMA. So even back here, when we started our initial run up, we still got pretty hefty above it, over 50% move. So maybe looking forward, we watched that as a little bit of a helpful tool that you can add to your toolkit to be one step ahead of the rest of the crowd. So not a whole lot of people look at anything like this, right? This is just random thoughts that go through this crazy guy's head. So we're from our highest point, our wick, 30, we're not even 270K. You can see that 70K on the right there. That's only 35% if we did that this week sometime. So to give you an idea, this one was what, 150%? Well, let's say we just went absolutely parabolic now. What would that price take us to? I'm glad you asked. 150%-ish takes us to 130K. Now, does that mean that's the peak? No. Because look, this moving average moves up with price. So as we move up, depending on when we enter our, towards our last phase, our last initial run up, are we going to get a rounded top or are we going to get a true blow off top this time? We haven't had a real true blow-off top since 2017 on any of these peaks. None of these peaks are blow-off tops. Blow-off tops are just amazing. So the final month of this move, so in 28 days, it went up 237% Bitcoin. After already doing all of this, that's a blow-off top. You're doubling like the final month. You can 2x your portfolio after already like 5 or 10xing your portfolio. So that would be ideal, right? I would love to do a 2x after we do another couple more x from here. That would be amazing. So that was the 150% would get us to 130K. How about from here? If we were just to repeat this one again, well, where did we say we were? I forget. Amnesia. About 50%, right? We got 50% at the very peak, but we were even farther back here. Let's repeat history here. 100%, right? That was our kind of our key giveaway. So 100% move takes us still to over 100K right now. Before any chance of a true top, in my opinion, I think we're gonna have to be at least 100% away from it. I would highly suspect we're gonna at least do that at least once. That might not be the peak like this one, right? We were only 50% away on the actual before the big drop, but we're 100% here, 100% away here. So more than double whatever the moving average is. So if we project out towards, if we think the market cycle is going to last a bit longer, let me zoom in here. Bear with me. Oh Jesus, he's drawing lines again. Get this off of here. It's not, oh my God, it's doing one of these moves again. Click, click, click. My mouse is gone. Look, I can't even click. Hear my click? It doesn't click. That's it. The video's over. But what I wanted to say, just pretend this isn't here because it won't go off now. I'm even hitting the back arrow and it won't leave. Let me try. I'm gonna keep trying, and nope, it's still there. We have a glitch. TradingView, help me. I know all the TradingView people are watching this video. There's nothing I can do, and the video has to, now I've really screwed it up. There we go. So just pretend that this line goes farther, right? So this will move up as long as prices keep moving up, which we think will happen, right? So no matter where we peak at, 100% move off of that. So if we go to 65K with the 21-week EMA, double that. That's 100%, right? So that'd be 130K with 100% move. That would be by December. So depending on where we are with this 21-week, keep an eye on it. Times it by 2, that's 100%. Maybe that'll help us. Woo!